apartment tour. Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you are new here. If not, then welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my 2024 apartment tour. I'm going to be showing you guys all around my apartment. I have already almost lived in this apartment for a year. Our lease will be up in November and I'm just now getting around to filming my apartment tour. Better late than never, right? So we're going to be doing my apartment tour today and I'm super excited to bring you guys along. So yeah, let's get into it and let me show you my apartment. Hi you guys, welcome to my apartment. Come inside, let's do a little tour. Alrighty guys, so when y'all first come in, it's super cute in here because Dwayne just actually put up these little lights. They were originally supposed to be for our like patio, but I don't know, whenever they made my specific balcony, they made it weird and so I can't even get to my outlet, so he just put them up here. This is our little entryway table. We have just like some decorations. This is where we usually keep our like keys and stuff whenever we're coming home. My grandma actually gave me this. I don't even know where it came from, but it just says like be our guest. Whether you come in to visit or just to rest, when you enter our home you may be blessed. Moving on, this is where our like laundry room stuff goes. So I'll just go ahead and show you all this. It's pretty like basic, self-explanatory. It's just like our little laundry room. Doesn't look the best, so I don't really want to show too much, but yeah, we just have our washer and dryer in there, and our unit did come with washer and dryer, so that was a must. This is where my kind of space is, so this is kind of like my side of the apartment and then Dwayne's is more like that way, but this is our little hallway closet. It's kind of just like really junky, honestly. We have all of our like extra winter coats, miscellaneous stuff, like we have games up there, yeah, our vacuum, cat litter, our wagon, a step stool, just like miscellaneous extra stuff. You know, we all have a closet like that in our house or our apartment. And then moving this way, we have my bathroom. We do have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. So I have my own bedroom and my own bathroom. Mine is just separate and Dwayne's is together. So this is kind of what my bathroom looks like. It's a little bit cramped now that I have this in here, but before I had a little cardboard box with all my towels in it, so I like this a lot better. And then yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. Super cute. I got this rug right here from Five Below, I believe, and then this little one I got from Amazon. My shower curtain, I think I either got this from Walmart or Target. I'm not too sure, but I guess I'll show you guys what my bathtub looks like. It's kind of messy right now, but it's super big. I need to clean it, so not too much, but I have so much stuff in here. I flip through stuff every single time I shower, so I don't really have like a set shower routine, but I have my favorites, you know. So if y'all want a shower routine, y'all just let me know. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory, cutesy little bathroom. Love her so much. She does the job. And then moving this way, we have a big little mirror here. This is the Hobbit mirror from IKEA. I love this one. I'm so obsessed. We have it here because, you know, we can do like our quick little OOTDs, take pictures, whatnot. It's just the best mirror ever. Moving this way, this is my bedroom. I love my bedroom because I have my own balcony. My closet's huge. Like, honestly, it feels like I have like my own little like mini half of the apartment. I love it so much. Most of my furniture and stuff, I get a lot of questions about that. A lot of my furniture is all from IKEA. Practically everything that I have is from IKEA. My chair over here on my desk is from maybe Amazon, not too sure. A little iMac from time to time to edit. I have my little Hella Gorgeous sign. All of my makeup and everything in here. Some cutesy little pictures right here of me and my girlfriends. This is from our Austin trip. And then this is my closet. I don't really want to go too in depth into it because it looks really messy right now, but it is a pretty good sized closet here that I have, and I have it filled actually to the brim. It's insane. Very packed to the brim, but yeah, it's a good sized walk-in closet. closet, which I've always like loved having a walk-in closet, even though I didn't grow up with one. This is my little vision board that I made. If y'all remember that video from the beginning of the year, I put her up right here and I love it so much. I look at it all the time, and hopefully, you know, by the end of this year we will achieve a lot of the things on here. Moving this way behind my door, this is kind of like messy, but I just have like some miscellaneous stuff like my robe, some extra bag, my little thing with paisley on it. Here's also like another little photo wall that I have in my room. I just have like a bunch of different little pictures and stuff of me and my friends, me when I was baby, my nephew. I need to actually update this and add like some more pictures to it, but I love having this and I want to get another one probably for my next apartment so I can just add more pictures to it. We have Mama's little nook. So this is Mama's area. We have our little cat tree. I did get this off of Amazon. I love it so much. It's so good for her. I always feed her up here because Archie likes to eat her food. So we keep her food bowl up there. Then if y'all know how to fix this, please let me know because she has actually destroyed this little cat tree. But I keep all her toys right here because she doesn't really like to lay in that one. But yeah, and then this is my bed. I love her so much. So yeah, that's kind of what my bedroom looks like. And then moving this way, we have our amazing living room and kitchen area. I love how like big everything is. It's super, super open. So right here we have some of these little like pictures. These actually came from Dwayne's old apartment and we just finally put them up maybe like 2 months ago. I don't know, they haven't been up for that long, but we just put these up and I think they're so cute. Add like a pop of color. I told Dwayne I wanted more color in our apartment because it was really just all neutrals before. So now we kind of have like spurts of color here and there. This is actually a funny thing that we have in our apartment. Little PR bowl. So this is like extra little PR stuff because me and Dwayne both get PR packages. So when we have company and stuff, we're like, hey, just pick what you want. People can come in when they visit us and literally just, they could take the whole bowl if they wanted, honestly. Yeah, this is just like little goodies and stuff for if anybody wants them. And then this is our little fridge. It's super big. We don't have anything in here really. Like it's very, very empty right now. We need to go to the grocery store really bad, but you know, we try to keep it stocked up. We just have like some little pictures and stuff of like our family, me and Dwayne, him and his friend, and then my parents. Calendar board thing. Dwayne is the only one who actually ever touches this. I never do it, but he's so cute. He puts like a word of the month and then, you know, just like writes out little cutesy motivational stuff. So I love that. Yeah, we have like all stainless steel appliances. Very bougie, very luxury. Love it. Very grateful. We started decorating a little bit for Halloween. So we have like our pumpkin towels and everything out. We honestly really haven't decorated the place too much, but I feel like it has enough, you know. And then I guess we'll move this way. So this is our living room. Couch I'm pretty sure is from 25 Home, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, I will figure it out and put it up on the screen for you guys. But I actually was gifted this couch and I'm in love with it. I do definitely need to get a new one because Archie has gotten it like really dirty. And then we just have, you know, obviously some like little miscellaneous stuff. I have no clue where this coffee table is from. So many people have asked where this coffee table is from. Dwayne said I think he got it from Facebook Marketplace, so I don't believe he knows the exact place of it. Or this chair, have no clue. I think he also got this from Facebook Marketplace. I think he got this mirror off of Amazon. Like I said, a lot of our furniture in here is Dwayne's, so I'm doing my best here. But yeah, and then that's Ellie, our little plant. She's not doing so hot. We did take her to have surgery, but she's already kind of dying again, so maybe it's just not her season. I did want to show you guys these. These are our little bar stools. I got these from Walmart for super cheap. I think they were only like 10 or 20 a piece, and we got 4 of them obviously, but I love these so much. I really like how we incorporated some different like pieces of wood and stuff, like our little tray and stuff over there. I just didn't want it to be too like gray, cream black, you know, so I wanted to add like some pops of wood. So like I said, we have 2 balconies. I have my own balcony in my room, and then we have like a huge L-shaped balcony on this half of the apartment. I did go ahead and ask Dwayne if I could show his room, and he said that was okay, so we're gonna go ahead and show y'all Dwayne's room. So this is Dwayne's room. His room is like a hair bigger than mine. The actual like bedroom, I think, is like I said, just like a hair bigger than mine, but it's super cutesy up in here. This is Archie, obviously, you guys. No big man. He's waiting for his daddy to get home. He should be home shortly though. And then Dwayne just has like some of his little cutesy little knickknacks. He always does these little like whiteboard to-do lists. That's like his shit. He does them every single day. Yeah, his nice ass big ass TV. And then here's actually Dwayne's little vision board that he made for this year, and he has definitely achieved a good amount of the stuff on here, I can confirm. So he's doing super well on his vision board. I'm really proud of him for that. And then here's his bathroom. So Dwayne does have the big bigger bathroom because when we originally moved into this unit, he had a really big 1-bedroom apartment, and I told him like before we moved in, I was like, you can go ahead and have the bigger bedroom, bathroom, all of that, because like I basically made him downsize, so I gave him the bigger room. And plus, you know, I didn't even want to fight him on it. But this is, oh, mama girl, this is her house, we just live in it. But yeah, this is his bathroom. He has like the Alex and Annie sink. He's got some cutesy little wall decorations. He actually decorated his room super cute. I love it. And then he has, I won't show too much of it, but he has this big like walk-in closet. It's just a little bit messy right now, but super big, way bigger than mine. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, you guys. But yeah, so that is my 2024 apartment tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to follow me and Dwayne on Instagram, TikTok. I will have all of our links down in the description box down below. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.